In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add appointments to your Google Calendar. This is an incredibly useful skill for keeping your schedules organized and ensuring you never miss an important meeting or appointment. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log into your Google account. Once you are in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Give that a click. This button allows you to add new events and appointments seamlessly. Upon clicking Create your date, you'll notice an option called Appointment Schedule. Select that and you're well on your way. This feature is specifically designed to help you block out time for various activities, making sure that your clients or colleagues can book slots conveniently. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. You'll need to enter some vital details for your appointment. Begin by giving your appointment a title. It could be something straightforward like consultation with John or project meeting. Next, define the duration of your appointment. How long do you want each slot to be? Is it a 30-minute meeting or perhaps an hour-long consultation? Once you've settled on that, pick a date and time for when you're available. These details are essential to keep your schedule clear and precise. After filling in these details, you'll find a Next button. Clicking this gives you the option to further customize your appointment. While this step is optional, it's worth doing to keep your bookings looking professional. Here you can change your photo, set a location for in-person meetings, add a description, or even include any relevant notes your attendees might need. These small touches can make a big difference in how your schedule is perceived. Once satisfied with the particulars, hit save, and just like that your appointment is ready to share. Now to share your booking page with others, you'll want to find your appointment schedule in the calendar grid. Click on it and look for the share button. By clicking this button, you'll be given a link that you can copy. This link is what you'll share with those you want to invite to your appointments. Paste the link into an email, a chat, or wherever you want to make it accessible. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and shared your appointment schedule on Google Calendar, making managing your time and bookings as simple as it gets. Whether it's for business or personal use, learning how to efficiently manage your appointments can make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.